So hello all, welcome back. So next topic is matrix arrangement. This is very important topic. So you will find this passage in competitive exams where from which 4 to 5 questions will be definitely asked. So this topic is it is totally based on language. So if language is clear to you, you will be able to solve this puzzle, right? So let's begin with this with the help of a question. So here we have A, B, C, D, E and F. A, B, C, D, E, F and G are 7 members of a club. So A, B, C, D, E, F and G are 7 members of a club. So if there are 7 members of a club, let's take members here. Members, right? So each of them has different profession. So there are professions also. So let's take professions here. So you have to make anything equal, any one quantity equal, right? So as I have written here members. Similarly, you can write professions. If you want to fix professions and then choose a suitable option. So this one is the correct procedure, less confusing. So just fix members A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Now professions here, and each of them has different professions, which is lawyers, teacher, architect, CA, engineer, doctor and scientist. Each of them has different favorite sport likes, which is lawn tennis, table tennis, badminton, snooker. So sports, let's write here sport, right? So now the professionals and the sport are given not necessarily in the same order. So B's favorite sport is lawn tennis and he is not CA. So B favorite sport is lawn tennis. So B's favorite sport is lawn tennis and he is not CA. So I am writing here not CA, right? So he is not CA. D is the architect and he does not like baseball. So D is an architect and he does not like baseball. So D does not like basketball. He does not like basketball. So he does not like basketball. The doctor's favorite sport is carom. So whosoever be the doctor, his favorite sport will be carom. So doctor is fixed with carom, right? The teacher's favorite sport is volleyball. So teacher favorite sport is volleyball. E is the scientist. So SCIENTIST, scientist. C is the lawyer, likes badminton. C is the lawyer and he likes badminton, right? A likes table tennis. F's favorite sport is volleyball. So F favorite sport is volleyball. So volleyball. Now the person who is having favorite sport as volleyball will be a teacher, as we have seen here in this condition. Teacher likes volleyball. So this F will be a teacher, right? Now the professions are almost fixed, right? So doctor like carom. So Dr. Karam, if we place Karam here, so he is an architect but the doctor likes only Karam. So if we place Karam here, this is a scientist, so only doctor likes Karam. So only option we have is this one. Similarly, if we place doctor here, so these sports are already fixed. So Dr. G will be the doctor and here we have Karam, right? So he is not CA. So only place for CA is this profession of A will be CA, only play because B is not an CA. So which profession is left now? So engineer. So B is an engineer, then engineer. Now which sport is left? D does not like basketball. So basketball. D does not like basketball. So D's favorite sport will be snooker. Only sport which is left is snooker. And basketball will be E's favorite sport because D does not like basketball. He does not like basketball, so E will like basketball. So only place for basketball is E. So this is how we have made this table. Now the question, in which way the question will arise? The question may be, what is the profession of G? So G's profession will be doctor. Or the question may be, which sport E likes? So E likes basketball. Or the question may be, what is the profession of B? So B's profession is engineer. Or the question may be, who is an CA? Who is a CA? So CA will be A. So A is the correct option. So which sport is liked by an architect? So architect likes snooker, right? So snooker will be the correct option. So in this way the questions will be asked. So let's do one more problem on it to understand the topic more clearly. So here also we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and this T, right? So A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are 7 football players. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are 7 football players. So let's write the players here. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right? A, B, C, D, F, G, H. Sorry, not E, F, G and H, right? Are 7 football players playing for different teams, green, red and blue. So they are playing for different teams, green, red and blue. So let's take teams here. Teams. Now each one of them like a fruit. So fruit. So B plays with F in team blue. So B plays with F in team blue. So B team will be blue. F team also will be blue because B plays with F. And he likes, and here is used for B. So he likes mango. So B likes mango, right? Mango. None of those who play with either team red or team green likes guava or banana. So red and team red and green, right? Red and green does not like banana or guava. Banana or guava. For does not you can put a cross, right? So red and green does not like banana or guava. D plays with only one who likes watermelon. So D plays with only one, that person who likes watermelon, right? So D plays with only one person, that person who likes watermelon. G likes papaya. So G likes papaya. So put papaya here. And he plays in team red. So G plays in team red. The one who likes orange does not play in team red. So red team, orange color does not, orange fruit person does not play in team red. So red we put a cross. H likes watermelon and he plays for team green. H likes watermelon and he plays for team green. Watermelon. So now we can use this condition. The condition is D plays with the person who likes watermelon. So D plays only with the person. So D team will be green, right? So green channel is fixed. Nobody, no other will have green now. So next A play for red team and likes apple. So A red and likes apple, right? C does not like guava. So C does not like guava. So since C does not like guava, so C cannot belong to red or green team, right? So C will belong to, C does not like guava, I am writing here. So C will belong to blue team. So C blue. Now see which team has at least 2 or more, like person can have 2 or more teams. So red team can have 2 or more persons also. So at least 2 persons will be there. So red we have 1, 2. So 2 persons belonging to red. Green we have 1, 2 and blue we have 3. So blue we have 3. Now which this one is left. So green is banana. The player who is in team red and green does not like banana or guava. So banana cannot come here, so banana will be here in with team blue, banana. So F likes banana, or F may like this guava also. So F may like guava. So there are two options for banana and guava. So let's see who likes banana and who likes guava. So there is H likes watermelon, G likes papaya, F likes banana or guava, D with green team. So which option is left for green? And this C is also with blue. So blue can also be, this blue can also like, so orange, this is the condition given to us. Orange does not like the team, the person who likes orange is not in red team. So red team cannot have orange, this we have already used, right? So red team cannot have orange, red team cannot have banana. So banana is not here. So banana option will be this one. Either he can have banana. So banana he can have, but guava cannot. So blue team will have banana. So this will be guava. And the one which is left here is orange. So orange will be here. See, because only blue team can have banana or guava, because every other options are filled. So red and green team cannot have banana or guava. So guava, C cannot have guava. So C will have banana. So guava only option is this F, which is blue. So remaining fruit is orange. So we have placed orange here. Now the question which may be arrived from this passage will be who likes banana. So we can say C likes banana, or whose favorite sport is which team, how many players are there in red team. So in red team how many players are there? 2. How many players are there in blue team? So in blue team we have 3 players. So which players are there in red team? So A and G are there in red team. What is the favorite fruit of G? So favorite fruit of G is papaya. What is the favorite fruit of the person who likes which team does the person belongs to? The person who belongs to red team likes apple. So who is that person? So that person is A. So a person who likes mango belongs to which team? So mango belongs to which team? Blue. So these may be the questions which can be arrived from this passage. So I hope it is clear to you. So just please subscribe this channel, press the bell icon to see the upcoming notifications. So thank you all. Hope to see you there in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.